In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change networks inside the trustwallet browser interface. Navigating different blockchain networks within trustwallet is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's begin by opening the trustwallet web. To do this, open your internet browser and head over to the website at dashboard.trustwallet.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Launch App. Give that a click and you're on your way. Now that you've accessed the trustwallet interface, the next thing we'll do is connect your wallet. This is an important step because it allows you to manage and interact with your crypto assets securely. Hit the Connect Wallet button, which should be front and center on your screen. After clicking there, you'll be prompted to choose your wallet type. Locate and select Trust Wallet from the list. You may notice a browser extension pop up. It's crucial you approve this to ensure your wallet connects properly. Having successfully connected your wallet, let's proceed to find the Network drop-down menu. If you look to the top center of your screen, you should notice a drop-down menu. By default, this drop-down typically shows BNB Smart Chain, but there are several networks you can choose from. Next, you're going to select a new network. Click on the drop-down to open up the list of available network options. You'll see multiple choices such as Ethereum, Polygon, Base, and others. Take a moment to decide which network you'd like to switch to, and once you've made your choice, click on it. After selecting your new network, TrustWallet will automatically make the switch for you. This seamless transition involves changing to the selected network so you can view assets, balances, and transactions specific to that blockchain. Isn't that convenient? You'll be able to confirm the change instantly as you'll see your assets and transaction details update to reflect the network you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully changed networks inside the TrustWallet browser interface. This capability is particularly handy for users working with multiple blockchain ecosystems, allowing you to effortlessly move between them and manage your digital assets more efficiently. Thanks for following along. By understanding how to switch networks on TrustWallet, you open up a world of possibilities in the crypto space. Whether you're trading, exploring decentralized applications, or simply managing your digital assets, having the skills to navigate between networks can greatly enhance your experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others. Until next time, happy exploring and safe.